Welcome back to Channel 5 News at noon. Well, it's been a very interesting day for parts of the nation with Tropical Storm Emily now impacting the west coast of Florida. We'll talk about more of that then in just a few minutes. But taking a live look outside courtesy of Sky 5 here in Weslaco. Lots of sunshine to go around, so you know it's heating up outside. 94 degrees here with an east wind at about 3 miles per hour. So notice we had that southerly wind this morning. Now it is out of the east and it's going to stay relatively light between 8 and 16 miles per hour. Still, we have high humidity to factor into those temperatures, so it feels like 110 in Rio Grande City this afternoon. It even feels like 106 in Port Isabel. In between 101 and 102. So yeah, it's a very hot day and it's only going to get hotter. We're talking about a high temperature today in the upper 90s, even the triple digits in the upper valley. Looking at the Doppler network, not much rain in the valley, but you see some showers or thunderstorms popping up over the open Gulf waters. So if you're doing any boating and you're headed offshore, you need to keep your eye on those, and they are producing some heavy rain at times. Future track does indicate we could still see a shower or two pop up. Again, if it's mid to lower valley, maybe the upper valley could get something, but for the most part, I think you're going to end up relatively dry today. It's really not too favorable for a whole lot of rain to pop up over the next day or so, but we are going to see rising rain chances by about midweek. And even then, only 20 or 30% of the valley will get that shower or thunderstorm. Notice it kind of stays mid to lower valley, but if any one of these showers does get enough, I would say, oomph going along on that sea breeze front, it could move into the upper valley late in the day tomorrow. Now, because of the cloud cover and again your rain chances, we are going to stay just around average for this time of year with 98 in the forecast today and tomorrow, 97 by midweek. So that does show that increasing rain chances ever so slightly. All eyes are on Florida at this hour, and we see that this big cloud here, that's a lot of moisture from our satellite, and basically that is Tropical Storm Emily. So let's take a look at this particular storm. It is expected to maybe downgrade over the next 12 hours or so, and then as it makes its way into the Atlantic, strengthen again back to tropical storm status as it kind of hugs the eastern seaboard. But the thing about this particular storm is it's going to continue to make its way over the open Atlantic, so it'll make for rough surf for sure around the eastern seaboard. But for Florida, it's definitely a rainmaker, and also those gusty winds impacting that whole area, central Florida. So that's basically the gist of this storm. It's moving away from the Gulf, not impacting us by any means. Let's take a look here, and you can see all of that heavy rain currently moving over Florida, but across the central United States, really not too much going on. And then you get back over here into Texas, and you really see some showers and thunderstorms near the Panhandle. That's going to continue for today and tonight, but back here at home, really not too much in terms of rain chances. Let's go into tomorrow, and you'll see kind of the same scenario. Maybe just a few showers on the offshore waters early in the morning, and maybe through about mid-morning or so, some of those could drift a little bit closer to the island, but for the most part, maybe a passing shower or two in the forecast tomorrow. But if you're headed up to Midland or even Amarillo, that's where the stormy weather really takes over. And then as we head into Wednesday, we start to see a little bit more instability in our atmosphere, so that rockiness you need for those showers or thunderstorms to develop. So we could get maybe one or two, maybe three passing showers or thunderstorms. Keep in mind, with any passing rain event, it's one of those things where you may experience some heavy downpours, or you might just get a little sprinkle of rain. It depends on the area in which you are being impacted in. So here we go, 98 degrees today, tomorrow 97 by midweek with a few showers or thunderstorms. We're kind of bumping that up to 30% of the valley, seeing that activity on Wednesday and Thursday. By Friday, just a few showers, maybe a stray shower for Saturday. Sunday, we kind of pick it up a little bit more, back to 30% or so. And so your high temperatures will stay in the mid to upper 90s for the next 7 days. By night, we'll stay in the upper 70s, between 77 and 79 degrees. So no big time changes there in the forecast, but basically we are looking at some bouts of heavy rain with any given shower or thunderstorm that does develop. Don't go away. Channel 5 News this afternoon. We'll be right back.